Hello everyone, welcome back to AGC Maths World. So today our topic is about logarithms. This is the introduction class for the logarithms. So please completely watch the video. See logarithm. So a logarithm is the inverse operation of an exponentiation. Okay, logarithm is the inverse operation of exponentiation. Okay, so in general, if a power x equals to n, then we write x equals to log n base a. See here, a power x equal to n, then we are writing power exponent as x here, and x equals to log n. This becomes base a, log n base a. So a is greater than 0. Here conditions are applied. Here a is greater than 0 and a is not equal to 0 and n is greater than 0. It is any rational number or any real number. Okay, no? N is any real number. Okay, right. So now types of logarithms. There are two types of logarithms are present. Okay, so what are they? First one is a common logarithm and natural logarithm. Okay, so we have two types of logarithms. One is common logarithm and natural logarithm. So what is common logarithm? The common logarithm with the common logarithm is with the base 10, and the natural logarithm with the base e. E is approximately e value equals to 2.17. Okay, so the e value is 2.17. This is the approximate value. Okay, the e value is 2.17. Okay, how to represent the common logarithm? Common logarithm with the LOG. Okay, LOG base 10. Okay, next, how to represent the natural logarithm? So natural logarithm will be represented by ln, small letters ln with base e. Okay, the e value is approximately equals to 2.17. Okay, next comes to the some basic rules here. Log 1 base a, it becomes 0. Why? Because a power 0 equals to 1. So here a power 0 equals to 1. That's the reason log 1 base a equal to 0. So apply the same formula, then you will get this. See here, a power x, a power 0 equals to n. So that is nothing but, now here x is what? Here x is 0. So 0 is equals to log 1 base a. That I am written here, log 1 base a. Clear, right? So log 1 base a, why it is 0 means because since a power 0 equals to 1. Next, log a base a equals to 1. How? So since a power 1 equals to 1. So same, apply the same general formula, then you will get this also. So now, before going to solve the problems, we must know this basic common formulas. So that is, first one is product rule. Okay, what the rule it is? Product rule, that is log xy is equals to log x plus log y. Log x plus log y. So next one, log x by y. This is a quotient rule. Okay, log x by y is equals to log x minus log y. Next one, log x power n. This is a power rule. Okay, log x power n is equals to n log x. Next one, last one, log b base a. This is nothing but base change rule. So log b base a equals to log b by log a. So that's all about the logarithm. This is the basic information regarding the logarithm. So in upcoming videos we are going to solve the problems. Before that we have to know these all formulas. Thanks for watching.